There are many ways you can invest in gold. It really depends on your preference. I have a lot of friends who prefer buying gold jewelry. I know some people who like buying works of art made of gold. If that's your preference, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. You can also invest in gold by purchasing stock in, let's say, gold miners. So if you have a brokerage account, you can buy a share in a mining company. Just know that aside from gold spot price, stocks are also influenced by the company's current profitability and expenses. If the company goes down, your share disappears. You could also invest in gold ETFs and gold mutual funds. Investing in gold ETFs and mutual funds can provide you with exposure to gold's long-term stability while offering liquidity, but you aren't buying gold, just paper. That's theoretically backed by debt or equity of mining companies or futures or option contracts for physical bullion. This means the value of the gold mutual funds and ETFs may not entirely match up with the market price of gold, and they may not perform the same as actual physical gold. You can also do futures and options to invest in gold. Futures and options are derivatives, meaning their value is based entirely on the price of the underlying asset. A futures contract allows you to buy or sell a security for a set price on a certain date, regardless of the current market conditions. An options contract, on the other hand, is an agreement that gives you the option to buy or sell a security if it reaches a certain price on or before a certain date. In order to invest in futures and options, you need an account with an online broker that offers these vehicles. It is much riskier than just buying physical gold. It's much more speculative. If you're into stocks and you know stocks are speculative, multiply that by 10 times and you'll understand how futures and options, that's the level of risk that these offer. The best way, in my opinion, to invest in gold is to buy gold. You can do it in two ways. You can open a gold IRA with us, you can buy it physically, we can ship it to you. A gold IRA is a common term used when people invest in gold through an individual retirement account or an IRA. So if you have a self-directed IRA, you can put different types of assets in there. One of them is gold. If you want to open a traditional self-directed IRA, taxes are deferred until you cash out. If you open a Roth IRA, you pay taxes now on the money you put in there, but then when you cash it out at retirement, you don't pay any taxes on the capital gains. You can also get gold delivered to you. Some people think of it as they like this idea because they can actually touch it, they can put it in their safe. We can ship gold coins or bars to you. You know, I know some of you might say, hey, why don't I go to a flea market and just buy gold coins? You know, not all gold coins and bars qualify for an IRA. You want to have the level of purity. You want to have 0.999 purity when you're investing. Same with silver. And overall, when you're investing, this is an investment, you want to have that purity there. Bars, rounds, and coins must be provided and made by certain mints. They must be COMEX approved. These are what make them approved for an IRA. Investing in a gold IRA, though, physically possessing it, these are all great ways to get in. So they're easy to liquidate, they're secure, they're certified. So if you want to learn how we do it at Noble Gold and what some of the options are for your IRA, give us a call. 877-646-5347. We'll make a somewhat complicated process very smooth. And my team here in the US is here to help you when you're ready to get involved in physical precious metals, whether it's in an IRA or outside. So check out noblegoldinvestments.com.
If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open and we're happy to answer any of your questions.